run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time here. Today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a bunch of Monday motivation, and we're going to be moving throughout the house, starting here in the kitchen. But first, I want to show you all the latest snacks that I picked up from my local farmers market. We have one about every other Thursday, and I love getting out there and supporting a bunch of our local small businesses. So I picked up a bunch of new goodies. A few videos ago, I shared with you guys a huge haul of some really fun stuff that I picked up from there. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a ton of cleaning, and we're going to start here in the kitchen, do some dishes, clear off some surfaces. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning on top of my cabinets. I mentioned that in my last video, which if you guys missed that, I will make sure I link it down below. It is a good one. You absolutely do not want to miss it. But first, we're going to go ahead and wipe down this table using my Mrs. Meyers Lavender Multi-Purpose Spray. And then I want to share somebody super exciting with you all.
You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away.
So I really wanted you all to meet my friend Christin, and her channel here on YouTube is Love Christin. She's actually been doing YouTube here for a little while, but has most recently become super consistent, is really kicking off her channel. So I wanted to share her with you all. She lives in an absolutely beautiful home in Louisiana, and she's got two little kitties, as you guys just saw there, Mojo and Nico. I just love seeing them in her videos. She does a lot of really amazing cleaning motivation, just like you guys come to my channel for, and I know you guys will absolutely love her. So I will make sure that I link her channel just down below in the description box. So make sure when you're done watching my video, if you guys have a moment, go over and show Christin some love. Say hi to her in the comments, and if you guys are enjoying her just as much as I do, even consider subscribing to her channel. I have been seeing so many new faces down below in my comments, so I wanted to take a minute and say hello and just welcome you all to my channel, or maybe you all have come over from Christin's channel today, so thank you for taking the time to do so. I am Katie, and I am a Southern California boy mama to my two little boys, Rylan and Colton, and they are currently doing virtual learning still right now, so I'm definitely trying to figure out a very good routine that seems to work for us, and just trying to keep the house together while having them home all day. So I definitely have a ton of cleaning motivation here on my channel. I feel like anytime I clean and turn around, it is time to clean again. So I would love to have you here if you have not yet subscribed. And if you're enjoying today's video, it really does show more support than you'll ever know to hit that like button, and it takes 2 seconds. But I just wanted to welcome you to my channel, and I hope that you'll stick around and join my YouTube family. One of the things that I really try and do here on my channel is to keep my content really fresh and fun and exciting for you all. So I don't like to do the same things over and over in my videos, but I still want to try a way to get you guys some everyday motivation. And I know dishes is one of those struggles in a lot of our households. So I'm gonna go ahead and share myself unloading the dishwasher, and we're gonna get these all put away, and then we're gonna do a little editing magic and show you guys a very full kitchen sink that I am actually throwing in right here for you. But in a blink of an eye, they are going to be gone. So if you have a sink full of dishes, this is your reminder to just get up, tackle it. I promise you it'll feel so much better when it's finished and they're put away. But now that I have my countertops all cleared off and my sink cleared out, I really need to address these cabinets. When we moved in, our cabinets were this dark brown color you can kind of see to the right, and we had them refinished to the white on top and the gray on the bottom. But as you can see, there's just a lot of just dried paint overspray and a lot of dust and debris up here, and I've been wanting to come up here and do this for forever. But guys, it is finally spring, so we're gonna come up here and take care of this. If you missed my last video, I highly encourage you to go check it out. It is a spring cleaning video, and we get into a lot of the nitty-gritty areas of your home that maybe have been neglected for a long time, and I show you like the dirtiest of the dirty, and this is definitely one of those spots that I've been trying to address. So here I'm going to show you guys a super satisfying before and after, and let me know what you guys think down below in the comments.
That makes your heart run wild. I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out.
I hope you all enjoyed that little music break there. Sometimes it's nice just to have a song play through without any talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You'll have to let me know down below in the comments if you guys actually like some more like chit chat in a video, or if you rather just let music play. Just let me know down below. But as you could see, we went ahead and wrapped up in the kitchen and then moved in here into the family room to vacuum and do some dusting. I find that I need to dust a lot down here because we do have our windows open a lot. So I was noticing some debris on my shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that really quickly and just kind of wrap it up down here. And then we're gonna move upstairs and get some beds made and give you guys some laundry motivation. Can you all even believe that spring is finally here? I live in Southern California, so my weather is pretty consistent here, but I know I have a lot of friends that live in the north and they are so happy that spring is finally coming. I know this year's weather has been like really insane, and it's been extra cold and just tons and tons of snow, even in crazy places this year. But let me know, are you guys happy for spring to finally arrive, or are you sad to see winter go? Friends, the struggle is so real. I am yet to find a new bed set, or comforter set, I should say, for my new bed. We made the switch from a California king to a regular king because we liked that it was a little bit wider. And this is still my bedding from my California king bed, and so it does not fit correctly. And I thought for sure I would have a new bedding set by now, and I just cannot find one that I absolutely love. So if you guys have any great websites that you always go to when you're maybe needing some home decor or like new bedding, I would love if you could just put that down below in the comments, because I really want to start to make that a priority so I can get some bedding that actually fits my bed correctly.
I just need you. I know what it is Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light,
I hope you all enjoyed that few minutes of laundry motivation. I know not everyone enjoys it, so I do try and plug in just a few minutes here and there for those of you that really need help with the laundry motivation. I know I definitely do. So when I see people folding laundry and doing laundry in videos, it really just motivates me to get up and also get it done, because laundry is definitely one of my major struggles with. But going backwards just a few seconds here, I wanted to show you guys a couple of the cute things that I picked up from Francesca's at our mall the other day, and I love that store. Let me know if you guys have a Francesca's as well. They have the cutest stuff, and I love going in there to find cute little treasures for like friends' gifts and whatnot, and I believe they even might be online, so definitely check them out. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you are still with me, if you could just drop a little heart emoji down in the comments, that'll just let me know that you guys made it to the end of this video. So just thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I really hope that this video helped get you motivated. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish a couple of things here into my bedroom, and then unfortunately I have to move on with my day. I have to help the boys with some schoolwork, and I have some errands to run. But that is life, and I pride my channel on keeping things extremely realistic and relatable with you. We all don't have all day, every day to just keep our homes in check. So I just want to thank you again for watching my channel, and also please do not forget to go check out Love Christin, my friend Christin's channel, and I know you guys will also love her and her little kitties. Her home is absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed, and they've only lived there for a few months, so it's been really fun watching them get all settled in and kind of make their house a home. So definitely go over and say hi to Christin if you have a little bit more time to watch today. Tell her you came over, like her video, leave her some love in the comments, and even subscribe if you wanted to. But other than that, I will go ahead and wrap up this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I swear that I'm sober, just